What is up, guys? Shamsi here with another video, old school style, and today I'm gonna quickly show you how to wrap your intake in a lovely nice gold color. But I ain't gonna lie to you guys, it looks good. It's supposed to reflect the heat, and with my car I have a lot of heat soak issues, so today I'm gonna show you how to wrap any intake. This might be a bit more difficult for me because it has like a lot of curves and stuff, but anyway, we're just gonna give it a quick go and see the end results. First things first, what you're gonna want to do, you want to get your intake and you want to get your cleaner, and then you're gonna want to spray it. Spray it. Yes, I'm doing this in my room. I'm gonna clean it anyway. You get your little rag. It's clean, by the way. It's not dirty. It looks dirty, but it's clean. Trust me. Then you want to wipe this down. Make sure you get all of the grease off. Just like so. This is going to be a quick video, just a little thing, nothing major. You can even clean it inside the intake as well to get them extra horsepowers, but I'm going to leave it as this. Now once you finish cleaning it, then you're going to want to dry it. Now you get your tissue or some shit, then roll it away. Boom, it's drying as I speak, literally. You want to get it dry. Also, what you're going to want to do, you want to make it so it's not wet, because when you leave it, when you're drying it till it's dry, you're going to get like little flakes of the tissue fall off, and then when you're going to be wrapping it, it's not going to be sticking to the plastic, it's going to be sticking to the tissue, and that is a problem, which means it's not going to stick and it's going to be all bubbly, and then you're not going to like that. Anyway, that's done. Now my hands are the thing that is wet. Now we're just going to go over it one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Done. Alright, cool. Now once that's done, now you go onto the heat tape method shit. So I'm gonna do it in a way that I do it like I'm gonna do one wrap, cut, one wrap, cut, one wrap, cut, because this whole little thingy, because this is a difficult one, so I'm not gonna overdo it, as you guys can see. But anyway, let's go. I just spent 20 minutes looking for scissors. Anyway, let's go. So once you get all of these tapes, you're gonna have like this little like you're gonna have tape on the tape, which is like along this bit here. Now you're gonna want to peel that part off, and it's gonna be like almost like a double-sided thing. Obviously this is made out of fiberglass, so be very careful when you're dealing with it. So essentially, look, the back is not sticky at fucking all. Yeah, it's not sticky, so let's give this thing a go. Okay, cool. So it peels off like that. So this starts you off. Now which part will I do first? I'm gonna do this part first. So fuck, how does it go in? Okay, so what we're gonna do is obviously leave it like this. So it's harder than it looks, trust me. That's why I'm even struggling where to start. Okay, so let's focus on the flat parts first. So I'm gonna stick this down like so, and then I'm gonna go around, and we're gonna press it down as we're peeling it off, like this little technique. So we're gonna be pulling it off as we're peeling it. Because we don't want to be overdoing this stuff like so. So then we're gonna keep going in, dog. Here is the finished product. Shit. Fuck. There we go. That is what it looks like. It was a lot more harder than it looks. It took a lot more time because I tried to make it perfect as possible. Going around the curves is not really easy. On top of that, I had all these extruding little humps here, which I had to do. So I didn't wrap these parts here because this slots into a silicone and this slots into the bumper part where it can go through. But yeah, that's the end of the video, literally, and I still got so much more gold wrap left over. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's Shamsi signing out. Peace.